did to me. Can't you see how I feel?
Before we get on to this video, if you like what you see, make sure you support me on Patreon. Everything is very much appreciated. And also, if you want to request things for me to react to, movies, albums, songs, definitely make sure you check me out on Streamlabs. Both of those links are in the description. And with that being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out. What's up, guys? I'm checking out Seatbelts. This one's titled Space Lion, requested by Will Thomas on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this track before. Never heard anything from Seatbelts, but yeah, I'm definitely curious to see what this is pertaining to, what it's going to sound like and whatnot. I can definitely see it's a part of this Cowboy Bebop soundtrack, I'm assuming. I do know of, this show. Apparently it's an anime. My younger brother multiple times has mentioned this around me, so I do know of it, like the name of it and everything. But yeah, Space Lion, let's check it out. It's off to a great start so far. Before it goes on to that little next slow section, I just wanted to say I love how beautiful the music is so far, and just how melodic that whole portion was. That was really nice. Bass. Yeah, that was beautiful, man. Very simple yet intricate song. Like it wasn't a whole lot going on, but it was, what was happening was it was super melodic and it was just very, soothing and beautiful to listen to. Nothing more, nothing less. But yeah, that was definitely really nice, man. Seatbelts, Spaceline. I'm like, actually, I'm not gonna say I'm surprised of how good that was, but like I don't know. Like I feel like usually. I wouldn't expect an anime soundtrack to sound like this. I don't know. It's just kind of, I guess, off-putting. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed that. That was really, really smooth, man. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.